enojarse, enojarse, enojarse. That means to get angry, okay? When you get angry, you can use this verb. To get angry, to get mad, you're just not happy. It's the opposite of being happy. Let's look at some examples. Mi papá nunca se enoja. Mi papá nunca se enoja. Mi papá nunca se enoja. Okay? I know it sounds like I'm saying se enoja. Se enoja, it's just like one word. But sometimes, Spanish speakers speak really fast. So sometimes it sounds like they're saying one word, but it's actually two or three, right? So keep that in mind. It's good to see as well the words when you're learning, obviously, Spanish. It's good to listen as well. And obviously, you need to pronounce and you need to talk the language, speak the language rather. Mi papá nunca se enoja. So I usually, when I pronounce the words, the Spanish words, I slow down. I don't say it too fast. I say it slower. But usually the normal speed will be mi papá nunca se enoja. Okay? Mi papá nunca se enoja. So it sounds like one word. Mi papá nunca se enoja. Right? But just little by little, you're gonna be able to understand Spanish when someone speaks it fast. But it's just as in English. There's people who speak really fast, but it's not difficult to understand. You just have to train your ears, to understand the language in different, speeds. Or speed, different speed. So anyway, it's good to make mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes in English. I'm still learning English, and that's fine. That's fine. It's hard to know a language 100%. Even native speakers don't know their language 100% because it's always changing, right? So anyways, mi papá means my dad. Remember to use the accent mark when saying dad in Spanish. This accent mark, papá, because if you don't have the accent mark, if you say papa, that's a different intonation. Papa. Two different words. Accent marks can change the meaning of words. Papa means dad. Papa without the accent mark means potato, okay? You're not talking about a potato. You're talking about your dad. Mi papá, my dad. We don't need the red color. Never, nunca se gets angry. Se enoja. Mi papá nunca se enoja. Mi papá nunca se enoja. If you want to say it fast or normal speed. Normal speed, I would say. Enoja, se enoja. By the way, when I have se here, that means that you can add pronouns to the verb. So you can use it in a reflexive way, or you can add the pronouns, se, te, me, le. Yeah, le as well. So we have the pronoun here. Se enoja. Me enojo. Te enojas. Okay? So it's similar to saying, for example, if you say... it's like saying you're just referring to your dad, right? So it's like saying my dad never gets angry. Him. But in Spanish, we have a different sentence structure. So you need se right here. Mi papá nunca se enoja. My dad never gets angry. Because if you don't have se, if you say mi papá nunca enoja, it sounds incomplete. It sounds incomplete. You need se. Okay, you need se. Another example, you can say me enoja mi papá. Okay, or let's skip it. Well, you can say that, and it's like saying my dad makes me angry. Okay, or he is the cause why I'm angry. So me enoja mi papá. My dad makes me angry. And in this situation, well, you know the concept, right? Make someone angry, to get mad. So you can use enojarse in those situations when you want to refer to that specifically. You can also say te enojas mucho. And this is like saying it's like literally saying you get angry a lot, or like saying you're always angry. But let's keep it literal because it makes sense. You get angry a lot. Okay, you get angry a lot. So this is an interesting, very interesting. I keep saying interesting, sorry guys, but it's just I find it fascinating how, you know, Spanish and English work. They're different. They're totally different languages. Okay, the next example, guys, and you see I had to use te, the pronoun enojas mucho, and you need it. That's why when you see verbs that have enojarse, se, the ending se, that means that you will likely use these kinds of pronouns like te, me, le. Okay, I have a lesson about those pronouns, so feel free to browse my channel. Ya te enojaste. Ya te enojaste. This is a good question. This means, are you angry? Are you angry? You can also say estás enojado. That's a more literal translation. Estás enojado. Are you angry? But I wanted to use enojarse as a verb. That's why I have enojaste. Ya te enojaste. Are you angry? Okay, are you angry? It's a good question to learn for sure. If you see someone angry and you want to ask them, why are you angry? Or are you angry? Rather, are you angry? Ya te enojaste. Okay, so enojarse means to get angry, to get mad, you know, to, if you're talking about, you know, making someone angry, you can also use this verb for those situations or for that situation specifically. But this is a very good verb to learn because it's common. People get angry. I hope you don't get angry too often. I hope you never get angry, because getting angry is not good. It's not good for you or anyone, nor anyone around you. So let's be happy. Seamos felices.